have to cool down, we clown around. Okay, now, the basic thing is the fiber of this stuff is so strong that we can actually not digest it. That's why we can't eat it. That's why humans never used it in any culinary thing. Let's say I want to set out and make some crackers, right? So I use the same ingredients that I have here, but I separate the grass, and I separate the horsetail, and I separate the stuff that I don't like as much in my bread, and put this separate and juice that on its own, and then I juice the carrots, the apples, the cucumbers, the carrots, the thing, and that becomes the base of my cracker. Then I have all that ground up stuff, I mix it with some soaked flax seeds in a blender, boom, together, boom, some sunflower seeds activated, and then I have the dough in the dehydrator dried. The next day you have beautiful crackers. So you can recycle that. But then you have to think ahead. That means you have to have the night before the flax seeds activated and the thing. See, raw living foods is not a diet. Get that out of your mind. That's a whole bunch of BS. It's a lifestyle. You have to constantly think around and thought your head. If I want to eat almonds tomorrow, I got to soak them today. So these I soaked yesterday, so I can eat them today. These are actually almonds, hazelnuts, and pumpkin seeds. So that's the stuff that you constantly do. I constantly activate seeds to grow seeds because I always have bread. If I can't eat it, refrigerator slows it down, but it stays alive. So I always eat live food. I always replenish the live food. This is why I have so much energy. It's just inexhaustible. You can just go and go and go and go. There's no end to it. It's amazing. Okay? But because I live it, I do it. If I just talk about it, I wouldn't have the energy. But because I'm sampling the juice of what you can do. I'm just giving you an idea of the possibilities, okay? When you look at that glass, start looking at it with different eyes. See it as our connection to the heavens. This is our connection to the heavens, is the glass. Why do you think all these animals, these beautiful animals, sheep, horses, cows, elephants, they go to the grass? No, and they're so peaceful and so happy because it's in the grass. They call it the G factor. It's something that's unique to the grass. It's only in the grass. That's why the grass has blades. It doesn't have leaves, it has blades. We talk about the grass blade. This is a blade. These are leaves. These are leaves. These are all leaves. These are all leaves. These are blades. And these are tight. These are strong. You can't break them down. Even if I sprout them in the small form like this and I chew them, there's already so much fiber in it, I can't break it down. I suck the juice out and then I spit it out. But this is what I do. People ask me, what do you eat? Always soaked nuts. Always love soaked nuts. It's great.
Nezapomínejte nikdy na to, že ty traviny veškeré ty mají vlákninu, která je pro nás velice obtížně stravitelná. Proto se vlastně nikdy traviny nevyužívaly pro žádné kulinářské potřeby. My je skutečně musíme odšťavit, abychom z nich dostali to nejlepší a tu vlákninu, která je velmi obtížně stravitelná, tak vlastně nepoužijeme. Když já jsem zmiňoval, že vlastně část toho odpadu z toho odšťavání používám na sušenky, na chleba, tak vlastně odendám tu část, která je níž je obtížně stravitelná vláknina, jako jsou ty šťavené traviny, přeslička a další. Přidám lněné semínko, použiju právě tu mrkev, samozřejmě toho zeleného tam trochu nechám, ale musím opravdu velmi opatrně. V případě, když žijete stylem raw food, důležité je vědět, nebo neustále mít na paměti jednu věc, že raw food je životní styl, to není nějaká dieta, není to chvilková záležitost. Když se chcete stravovat raw food, musíte myslet vždy o pár kroků napřed. Například v případě ořechů, semínek, které já tady už jsem si včera večer namočil, jsou to mandle, lístkové oříšky a dýňová semínka. To už mám vlastně od včerejška namočené právě proto, aby byly pro mě mnohem stravitelnější. Je to součást toho životního stylu. Musím myslet vždy o krok dopředu. Já se vám tady snažím seznámit vlastně s určitou možností, předestřít tady před vámi další možnosti životních stylů. Ty trávy ty vám umožní vlastně propojení s nebesy, s takovým získat určitý klid, určitý mír, třeba když si všimnete ovce, krávy, kozy, když se pasou, to jsou velice klidná, taková mírumilovná zvířata.
Who knows what tabbouleh is? Tabbouleh, you know what tabbouleh is? Okay, tabbouleh usually they make it out of cracked wheat that's a little bit cooked and stuff. You can make your raw tabbouleh. All you do is you take all these, as I said, you separate the leaves from the stems. The stems go in the juice and these go into a bowl. and you just chop them down, or quickly in the Vitamix give it a spin, or actually accusing out one of those food processors, boom, boom, and then you put the sprouted grains in here that I showed you, right there, put a little olive oil, put a little bit whatever in there, and boom, you have your live tabbouleh. This is what you think. Anything that you see in a cooked form, we can make better in a live form. Any cake, any cook, any pizza, any spaghettis, anything we can make better raw, okay? So let nobody tell you that you're on the wrong path. You're on the right path, okay? They're all like catching up.
Kdo z vás má rád tabulek, znáte ho. Tady já můžu použít právě tady tu petržel, ty stvoly vlastně, tu silnou dužnatou část odtrhnu, použiju pro šťávu, lístky si nechám stranou, mohu kombinovat s dalšími ořechy, s dalšími semínky, s trochou olivového oleje, udělám si pro sebe něco skvělého. Cokoliv si připravím v raw kvalitě, je mnohem lepší. Všechno vlastně si umíme udělat mnohem lépe než v té tepelně zpracované formě.
It doesn't mean that you have to eat cold food. You can warm up your foods to 40 degrees and it's still alive. It's not cooked, it's warm. So you can make a warm soup. We make a warm soup in the Vitamix. For example, you want to make a carrot soup? Take a bunch of raw carrots, put them in there, have some activated sunflower seeds, activated pumpkin seeds, whatever you like, put it in there, or squash in the squash season, put a little ginger in there, little spices, put a little warm water in there, that's like, you can put your finger in and you don't get burned, as long as you can put your finger in and see it's like, okay, I'm not getting burned, it's not too hot, okay? Then you put that water in there, you blend it up, boom, you serve it, you have your raw soup. Amazing. Boom, like that.
Raw neznamená, že byste museli jíst věci, které jsou studené. Vy si samozřejmě, jednak si můžete ohřát všechno na 40 stupňů Celsia. Ve Vitamixu si můžete připravit úplně skvělou, například mrkvovou polévku, dáte do Vitamixu mrkev, dáte tam nějaká aktivovaná semínka, aktivované ořechy, zázvor, přilejete trošku teplé vody, v momentě, kdy v té vodě udržíte prsty, je ideálně teplá, dostatečně teplá, nesmíte se samozřejmě spálit a máte úplně skvělou teplou mrkvovou polévku.
Any questions at this point? Fire away.
Máte nějaké otázky? Palte je na mě, ale palte teda pomalu.
How are you enjoying that little root juice sample?
Jak vám chutnaly vzorky šťávy?
Isn't that amazing? What you can do with grass, just like that.
Bylo to vynikající. Vidíte, co všechno můžete udělat, pomoct, co můžete získat z trávy.
The beautiful part is all of this stuff doesn't cost us one dime, one dinar, whatever, your krona, nothing. All of this is free. All it took is our time to go out there and get it. Mama Earth provides it in abundance everywhere. You have to get out of the city for sure. It's not much in the city, but you want to go out of the city, get to a little wild area around Prague, wherever it is. There's, I'm sure, plenty of wild areas. Go there. It's all usually there. It's all there. Mama Earth provides everything. It's free. The only thing you have to get is a little cabbage, a little cucumber, and some little sweet stuff like apple and melon.
Skutečně neuvěřitelné je, že ten základ tady pro veškeré ty šťávy vás nestál ani jednu jedinou korunu, jedno jediné penny, skutečně žádné peníze jste za to nemuseli vydat. Stačí, když se vydáte někam do přírody. Samozřejmě nemůžete sbírat uprostřed města, ale když vyjedete za hranice města, všude najdete zdroje, které jsou vynikající. Jediné, co si musíte přikoupit, je třeba zelí, nebo jablko, nebo meloun.
Like this idea we're starving. There's no need to starve. There's all food. You're sitting on a whole lawn of fruit that just got mowed, so all the grass got mowed down. But in like 2 weeks you come back, it's all grass standing here again. You can choose that if they believe it or not. This is Mama Earth gives this all to us for free. But these other people try to buy or sell us into this idea. It's programming. Nothing else but programming, okay? And we have to buy food. We need this. We need that. No, you don't need nothing. You got already everything. You have all the answers inside of you. It's all inside of you, all the answers. But you have to ask the question. If you don't ask the question, you will not know. You have to ask the question. So start asking questions. Why am I here? What am I doing here? What am I doing with my life? What do I want to accomplish with this life? Why did I choose to come into this life? Why did I choose these parents? What did they afforded me? You choose your parents. Your parents didn't choose you. You brought them together from a higher dimension. They're like, Oh yeah, those two, they give me great opportunity to evolve, expand my consciousness. Boom, you bring them together, boom, boom. Conception, you're there, right there. It's like, all right, here I come, boom. 9 months later, here I come, boom, boom. There you are on the planet. So now, for 5 years, you get programmed. You have nothing to say. You're just like this helpless little thing in there, and everybody tells you all this stuff like, oh, isn't he cute? Doesn't he do this? No, 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 no. 5 years, boom, boom. And then he starts like, wait a minute, what's going on? I'm me, and they're all them. All of a sudden you awake to the reality that you have an I. This I is your intercontact. This is your between your higher self and your lower self. It's your I. It's your eternal thing. You can't get rid of it. You need it to be in a flesh body. So don't put the I down. The I is you. There's only one I. Everyone has an I. Every one of you. I'm I, you, you. But you are I, and I'm you, and you're we. And we're all together, right? This is our planet. We're all one. This idea that we are all one is true. That we are single expressions of this oneness. That's all. We're single individual expressions of this oneness. We're all connected. And this glass is the big thing. This is it. This is the future. It's the only future there is. All these other people, they're going to die out. Remember the dinosaurs? Remember the dinosaurs? All right, those are the cooked fooders. They're going to be, in 20 years, they're going to be all dinosaurs. That's it. Take it or leave it. I'm telling you the truth. They have no future. They're cooked. They're done. They're in the past. They're not now. They're just never going to make it. I'm sorry. They're just going to stay nicely in their past that they're already in.
Všechny vlastně, tady to všechno nám nabízí Matka Země, jsou to dary Matky Země. Neustále se mluví o tom, že lidé hladovějí, nemají dostatek potravin. Jak je to možné, když trávu, když si useknete, vrátíte se za 2 týdny, vyroste vám nová, krásná, čerstvá, plná energie. Skutečně stačí 2 týdny a Matka Země vám nabídne opět něco nového k jídlu. Myslím si, že je nezbytně nutné, abyste si všichni začali klást otázky. To je vlastně podstata, jak se dostanete o úroveň výš, začnete si klást otázky, proč jsem tady, čeho chci dosáhnout, proč jsem si vybral tyhle rodiče. Vy si skutečně vybíráte svoje rodiče, vy si rozhodnete, tyhle 2 lidi, ty bych mohl dát dohromady, narodíte se, 5 let vás nějakým způsobem samozřejmě programují nebo určitou dobu a pak si najednou začnete uvědomovat sami sebe. Začnete se rozhlížet okolo, začnete si právě klást ty otázky. Veškerá budoucnost je právě v těch zelených rostlinách, v travinách.
So if you want to know more, learn a little bit more, as I said, there's the book that you saw, and then I have a page, it's called The Wildgrass Messiah at Facebook, so you can like it or not, whatever, but check it out, there's beautiful information there. David Wolf talking about getting higher and higher and higher, and the glass is the only way to get there because it's levity. So I'm just bringing you the truth, okay? You can take it or leave it. I don't care. I do my thing anyway. I'm just trying to share with you something that gives me incredible joy in my life. I'm always happy. I'm never down. The moment I'm down, it's time to set up the juice and make some juice. That's all.
Já se tady s vámi snažím podělit o svoji radost, o nějaké nové informace. Já jsem neustále plný energie, kdykoliv mi energie dochází, začnu být unavený, nevadí, připravím si další šťávu, odšťavím a opět se energii dobiju. Víte, že informace, o kterých jsem, nebo vše, co jsem dnes zmiňoval, jednak v knize, kterou jsem ukazoval už v dopoledních hodinách, potom mám stránky na Facebooku Wildgrass Mesiáš divokých travin, divoké trávy. Můžete s tím souhlasit, nemusíte s tím souhlasit, podívejte se.
You see the thing about Jesus? I'm going to tell you some secret about Jesus. They put him on the cross and they still have him on the cross. He's not on that cross anymore. Get him off that cross. He is resurrected. He is alive. He is not dead. So everybody who worships the dead Jesus doesn't get it. Because he said there is no death, and that's why he resurrected. So you can resurrect. Everybody can resurrect. But you got to do something that's authentic and original to you. Not some low accounting job or some fixing shoes or whatever. You'll never remember that. But if you do something original, like Elvis or something, you think he's something different than Elvis on the other side, he's still Elvis. Hello, Elvis. You know, that's how it goes. So you are who you are, and you're an original. And you better find your purpose, because you have a purpose. Every one of you has a purpose inside of you. That's why you're drawn here, because you're searching for something. That's why this is drawing you like a magnet. I was searching 25 years ago, 27 years ago. I wanted to know, Why do I have to grow old? I don't want to grow old. No, I don't want to grow old. So there's got to be a way of not growing old. What do I got to do? Change the food. If you cook fruit, you're going to grow old. There's no way around that, okay? So if you want to grow old and have diseases and problems in your life, just keep eating cooked food. If you want to get out of that paradigm, well, I'm trying to show you a way. That's all. It's up to you. It's just knowledge I'm disseminating. Take it or leave it. It's up to you. But it's the truth, okay? I'm not making this up.
Já vám řekl něco k Ježíšovi. Ježíše, když si ukřižovali a my ho neustále vídáme na kříži. Já si myslím, že není potřeba ho vídat na kříži. Měli bychom už dávno sejmout, protože už se dávno převtělil. On si sám říkal, že smrt neexistuje. Myslím, že každý musí přijít s něčím originálním, s něčím novým. Třeba takový Elvis, ten je pořád mezi námi. Buďte tím, kým jste, nicméně hledejte účel svých životů, cíl svých životů. Já jsem před 25 lety jsem se rozhodl, že nechci zestárnout, uvědomil jsem si, že nechci zestárnout, nechci stárnout, nechci se podat chorobám a nemocem a jsem si řekl, co s tím můžu udělat, nebo kudy na to. Změnit způsob stravování. Je to určité paradigma. Můžete získat informace a ty informace buď přijmete, či nikoli.
So, here's the one thing. You all heard about this word. It's called Fukushima. Who knows about Fukushima?
Znáte všichni Fukushima.
Who knows about Fukushima? What do we really know about Fukushima?
Co skutečně víme
Only what they told us. And what they told us is a bunch of lies, okay? Who knows about Chernobyl?
Víme jenom to, co nám řekli. A to, co nám řekli, je snůška lží. Kdo zná Černobyl? Kdo co ví o Černobylu?
Okay, Fukushima was 10 times the power, minimum, even more than Chernobyl. 10 times. Now, figure that. 10 times. That means we are having a crisis, a radioactive crisis. That means the whole radioactivity in the background of our life is increasing daily. Because it's not fixed. Fukushima is still spewing out radioactivity every day as we talk, okay? So put that into your little mind right here. So the higher on the food chain you're going to eat, which means like dairy products, animals, whatever, the more you're going to get taken down by radioactivity because that stuff is already super radioactive. But if you go to the grass, that's the least radioactive. That's the stuff that really gives you support and strength and strengthens your immune system. It makes you strong. It makes you strong, resistant. Like these plants, nettles, they're resistant. You can't extinguish them. I tried to kill them and I couldn't kill them. They always come back. So that's a good sign for something you want to eat, right? Something that makes you strong.
Pokud se jedná o katastrofu ve Fukushimě, tak tam vlastně ty důsledky byly 10krát horší než v případě Černobylu. Radioaktivita se zvyšuje vlastně každým dnem, když jíte jakékoliv mléčné produkty, maso a podobně. Ty jsou velmi radioaktivní. Tráva vlastně je nejméně radioaktivní, navíc posiluje váš imunitní systém. Rostliny, jako je třeba kopřiva, ta je velice rezistentní, té se zbavit, zahubit kopřivu je téměř nemožné. Já jsem to zkoušela, nepodařilo se mi to.
Alright, this is the last one we have for today to share. So whoever didn't have anyone yet?
Poslední, co vám ještě mohu na kompost věnovat pro dnešní den.
You're welcome. So remember, if you want to set out to make crackers, only separate the grass and the thistles and that stuff.
Takže když byste si chtěli dělat ty tušenky, o kterých jsem hovořil, a chléb, jenom dáte pryč ten odpad z trávy, z kopřiv.
But you have to think ahead. You have to activate other seeds. If you want to make crackers, you want to definitely add either chia seeds or flax seeds. That's a good carrier, high in omega oils too. And then you put that, soak it, and you put it in the Vitamixer. You need a few key tools in the raw world, okay? You need a good blender. I use the Vitamix, but any other thing that does the job and has 2 horsepower and can really cream. When I take coconuts and I cream them in Ecuador in that machine, nobody can believe, like, wow, this was coconut? I said, yeah. You can't even, there's no bits of something. It's so smooth because you have such a horsepower that totally takes that down. Did you see how the juice came out?
Takže když si chcete dělat ty sušenky nebo chleb, musíte samozřejmě, jak už jsem říkal, myslet o krok dopředu, musíte mít aktivované, namočené, například lněné semínko, dáte do Vitamixu a vytvoříte si hmotu, kterou dále sušíte. Když se chcete stravovat, musíte mít samozřejmě v domácnosti k dispozici několik základních spotřebičů. Potřebujete jednoznačně dobrý mixer. Vitamix je ideální, když například v Ekvádoru ve Vitamixu zpracovávám kokosový ořech. Nikdo nevěří, jak úplně hladkou strukturu dosáhnu.
Well, the Vitamix is